Alright, so welcome back again. So this day is we're gonna show the day 27 left. So the title is Git Revert some changes. Alright, so let me try to click the start button. Alright, so the Nautilus application development team was working on a Git repository. So repository name is /user/src/kodekloudrepos/blog. So that repository you're now presenting on the story server. So story server is in Stratos DC. However, they reported an issue with the recent commits being pushed to this repo. So they had asked the DevOps team to revert repo head to the large commit. Below are more details about the text. So the first step is we need to go to the app story server. So story server is Natasha. I will copy the password of the Natasha. So I will use sh natash Natasha stor, or I'm gonna enter and say yes. I paste the password. So now we are on the story server, right? So let me read the first requirements. In user src kodekloudrepos blog Git repository. So before we start to doing these steps, we change into real user using sudo su dash. Alright, so let me check that repo directory using ls dash lg. This repository is existing or not existing in that storage server. So on the storage server, the repository already existing right there. So we need to go to there, right? So let me use cd. So this is a Git repository. So we can check the Git status for status. So here is, now we are on the branch master branch. Here's nothing added to the commit, but on track finds present, use Git add to the track. So let me check Git branch, and let me check Git commit, Git log online. Oh, sorry. So we can check with the Git log online. So now you will see two commits. So this is the initial commit. This is the first commit ever. This is the now latest commit or second commit, right? But commit message is data.txt.file. So now we're gonna have to revert the last commit to the previous commit. So we're gonna revert head to this commit. So how do we revert the previous commit? So this is just for your information. The previous commit has should be with any commit message. So this is a previous commit. Alright, so we're gonna have to revert the latest commit. So how do we do this? So alright, let me find it in Google. So how to revert? So we had to use like this, Git Revert head, and we can add message directly, like something like that. So here let me see that for sure. So Git this is reset, not revert. So we can use this commit, and after we fix it, we can amend the new message. So here you will see two things, Git reset and Git revert. So Git reset is it will remove the previous commit history, it will delete it and it will rewrite it. Burst and Git revert mean that does not remove the previous history. Instead of, it will still keep preserving the Git commit history. So now we can roll back again and we can track the previous commit. So this is the benefits of the Git revert. So Bert, that's gonna add new commit and use case local on publish mistake. So this is push and share commits. So this is a high risk, right? For safety, this is high risk, can lose word with a dash heart. Low risk, everything's recorded. So we should use Git revert because Git revert is most safety, right? So I think let we use this command now Git revert hat. So I use it. So that's initial commit message, and we're gonna have to use Git revert block message. So let me try with this command all together using this command. So please use all small letters for commit message for the new revert commit. Alright, I use Git revert hat to the previous commit, and this message, let me try to enter. So now I see an error, express a number greater than 0. So alright, so we use Git revert hat. So this also not okay, So we don't want to edit, we don't want to change anything right here. So wait, won't find change it. Is it true? Git log. Now revert message with the add data.txt fine. So actually we had to modify it again for this message because this is not correct message, because we have to keep the revert block. So git commit, we're gonna have to use this commit message, the commit message git commit amend to modify it again, to replace, so git commit amend. Alright, so I will go there and revert block. So I add it. So let me check again. So now final revert commit message is revert block, not add data.txt file. So we successfully change it. So alright, so we finish it. So let's try to click the confirm button. So that's it. So I will start here and say yes, no issue face, submit. Alright, so thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.